Hey, you know what we can do?
Huh.
We can put him in for an attaboy.
There you go. I like it.
Commander walking down the street, and while peeping into residence, he observed a guy come out of the house and the burglary alarm going off.
Nice.
I would like to introduce you to Columbus Division of Police Commander Kyle Scholl. On July 7th, 2024, at approximately 7 a.m., Commander Scholl, while off duty, was out for a walk in his neighborhood when he heard a burglary alarm. The commander observed a suspect leaving the front porch of the house where the alarm was going off. The commander then followed the suspect and directed patrol officers into the area so they could make the arrest.
Okay.
What's he look like?
Male, light skin, male, black, red shirt, tan pants, 6'2", 3-inch, 250 pounds.
Alright, so he's down there. Want a shotgun?
I got mine.
Okay. Hey, show me your hands right now. Don't fucking move, dude. You got him?
I got him.
Yeah. You have any weapons on you?
No, I don't. What do you give me for?
You're gonna slowly and calmly roll to your stomach. You understand me?
Yes, sir. No, what do you give me for?
What's that?
What do you give me for?
We'll figure that out in here a sec. Roll over. Right now. Bring your other hand behind your back.
This is...
Bring your other hand behind your back.
What? This is what you call it? This is illegal, bro.
Is it? He's got a bag of stuff right here.
It's in his hand.
Yep.
Somebody just gave me that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you was right there.
One in custody.
Yeah, go ahead.
There you go.
Bro, he's right
One in
there,
custody.
Okay, what's your route?
Railroad tracks.
Right here, front green lawn or front mower?
I'll give you a location in a second.
Come on, you ain't got to do all that.
I'm trying to break it off so I don't hurt you. You understand that? Listen to me.
Sir.
I'm Officer Snyder. I'll treat you with
How you
respect,
doing, Officer Snyder?
and I'll treat you with dignity, alright?
I'm homeless.
Hey, listen to me. I'll treat you with respect and dignity.
No.
But I need you to retreat the same with me. I want to carefully bring you up this hill without hurting you. Do you understand that? But you're with me. You're detained at this point in time. You understand each other, right?
But why am I detained?
Well, we're going to get to all that. Now, in the meantime, let go of this with your legs. Alright. I think we're going to stand up. Sir, you want to grab my cruiser? Let me give you the key. If you
What, you
go...
gonna give him the cruiser?
That's
Yeah.
Hey,
No,
boss.
I know the law. You can't give him no cruiser.
You think so? Alright. I'm going to give you this. There's an access road. If you go back out in that way. There you go. Commander's going to come out to my cruiser. He'll guide you down. We're going to go out to the access road on the west side of the tracks.
Alright, you up here, wait till you're there.
Nah, we're closer to Buckeye Donuts. I'd say about just north of West Moeller.
Bro, what's going on? Can you tell me what's going on?
That's a Columbus police commander who just watched something.
Huh?
That's a Columbus police commander, bud.
Okay.
Right now, I'm investigating what appears to be a break-in at a house.
Yeah.
You appear to be the suspect in my break-in, right?
Nope.
Okay, well, then that's fine. I ain't the judge of the jury or nothing else like that, but it is my job to detain you, especially when a commander, that's like 4 bosses above mine, tells me to detain you. Do you understand that? This ain't personal. I ain't been a dick to you. I'm definitely not trying to hurt you, alright?
I'm hurting right now.
Okay, well, you're also laying on barbed wire right now, so I'm going to do what I can to try and help get you out of here safely. This is kind of a precarious place right here, isn't it? Go ahead and sit up. Sit up. Yeah.
Good morning, 4 cars, 150,
Sit up.
Yep.
There's some off-road slides there, bub. What's hurting?
This hurts.
What's hurting?
Right here.
Where?
Under my left leg.
Okay, this thing?
Nah, it's under my left leg, but
Okay.
it's okay. It's okay, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Jared.
Jared? Alright, again, I'm Officer Snyder. Hold still, Jared. Hold still. Alright, get that leg out a little bit.
No,
I'm holding the barbed wire off
It's okay.
you.
It's okay.
Alright, come on.
It's okay.
Feet out.
Now. Hold on 1 second.
What's the matter?
Let me get this leg.
Okay.
Can I please?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm not gonna run from
No,
you, sir.
I know you're not. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Okay.
We're all tangled
I
up
need to
here.
back up. I need to
Back up. Scoot you up.
No, I need to back. I need to like this.
Like lay on your back.
Yeah. So I can get that out. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Just need to stand up. I'm not running. I'm not running.
I know you're not. Alright, watch your step here, alright?
I got you.
That was my question, sir. I'm just saying.
I got it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure you don't fall.
You're a good man. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about? No.
Guns,
Nothing that's gonna
knives,
hurt
hand
me?
grenades,
Ninja stars,
needles.
Okay. Come on over here to my door, please.
Sorry, my cough is cold.
No worries.
Oh, that's an NRT for today, boy.
You got pockets underneath these shorts, or is it just your underwear? Just your underwear?
What are you doing, sir? Don't.
Getting them steps in and.
What the hell? Oh.
You have a bag for that stuff?
Yeah, if you got one handy, I'd appreciate it.
You got any orders or anything, dude?
You got one more turn?
I just came from out of state.
Out of state?
Yeah,
You ain't got to kick him.
I'm trying to.
Get a rock out?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna adjust these here real quick. I need you to move a little further into the door for me, alright?
So you ain't see, hey, cause I know that's him. Cause I seen him. You ain't see nobody hand me the bag. Hey. So you ain't see no car leave.
What'd you do with the pillowcase you were carrying?
It's right there. It's right up here. I'll get it here in a second. Alright. Here's what we're going to do, my man. As you broaden the shoulder, I'm going to put a second set of cuffs on, alright? That way you ain't getting your... So I'm putting 2 of them so your shoulders ain't ripping apart. I ain't tearing your wrists up. You understand that? Not one over top the other. What I'm going to do, I'm going to uncuff this hand. You're not going to move it. We understand each other.
Yeah, I don't know why you gotta
Okay.
put 2 on.
Because it's going to make it more comfortable for you.
We can leave
You'll
one
see.
on.
You'll see.
I mean,
Just stay right
I
there.
ain't about to move.
Alright.
this officer's trying to help you out, sir.
Believe
Yeah,
that.
I understand.
Alright.
I did 12 years in prison.
Alright. See what I mean now? 2 sets. Ain't hurting you?
What's your soch?
Okay. Let's go have a seat for me, alright? put this on. I don't want to get hit by a train. Have us bouncing around.
I apologize, A, for the coffee on the floorboard.
If it's on floorboard, I don't care.
Can you drop out a display of firearm report for me?
I most certainly can. And then, now there
So,
was, we'll go over and get the bag. There was a male white, no shirt, heavy set on the
That's
back of the porch with a cell phone
That's
who
the
like
neighbor.
waved to me.
That's
Okay,
the neighbor.
good.
Because I was coming down 4th from Moore.
Okay.
I heard this beeping. What the hell is this? I almost thought it was like the smoke detector.
Gotcha.
I saw the back door, but I looked, I didn't see anything forced on the back door, but I was on the other side of the street. And then as I was around the corner, he's on the front porch. Couldn't test for sure that he came out of the house. But
Gotcha.
he was on the front porch.
Gotcha.
And he was the only person I saw around. And he looked at me, I looked at him, I kind of played it off, walked up a little bit, turned back around. He was doing the
Looking,
checking over his shoulder. I was like, yeah, something's not right here. So at that point, the male that you saw was over there. I was like, look, is everything all right here? He's like, no, his alarm got tripped. I'm like, I know who did that.
yeah. So he was on the front porch then?
Yeah.
Okay.
As I said, he had this pillowcase with him.
From the time you picked him up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure if we get a hold of that owner, he'll identify contents.
Yeah. And take a picture of it as we... I can probably just do it with the camera, that'd be fine. Recover it.
We got spot officers. We got multiple parole violations.
This right here is my shocked face.
What's in the bag?
Lots of goodies.
God, no
Oh, pay time off. Pay time off. Y'all coming to my Bureau of Workers' Comp hearing.
Items from the house?
No, they're just his garbage.
He was real quick to be like, you didn't see that guy hand that off to me.
Xbox,
PlayStation.
PlayStation. Motherfucker, I grew up with an Atari. So
Hey, you know.
give me some slack.
Hey, man. I'm being nice. We play our Pong on there.
Hey, let me tell you
Xbox,
something. Pong was
so-
a fun game.
So I'll give you that. This is an Xbox. These are PlayStation
You all right,
controllers.
Gerald?
There you go. There you go. It's warm too. It's freshly unplugged. Oh, jewelry.
Uh-oh. Oh, smack.
Yeah.
He's a little too big to be a burglar now. You know?
Mr. Jared Doyle was arrested and charged with burglary, a felony of the second degree. He pled guilty to that charge on August the 20th of the same year. He was sentenced to a minimum of 3 years in prison with a potential for 4.5.